Alright guys, this is another medium question, right? So what it says, so unique first names from the patient table which only occurs once in the list, means we have to return first names only, right, which only occurs once, means we don't have to return the distinct names. For example, they said that if two or more people named John in the first name column, they don't include their name in the output list. Means if two people name first name is John, we don't include John in the output list. If and only if there is one people whose name is Leo, means there is no use of distinct, right? We have to find out the unique values only. If the count of the first name is single, we have to return it, otherwise we don't have to return it. So I think there are two things we can do. We have to use the subquery, right? How? First thing, what they use it fetch the first name and the count of first names, right? Count of names, first name. This thing we have to do first. By using this, we get another new query list where there are first names and there are count of that first names. After doing that, we will get to know that which name count equals to 1. If we get this, we can easily return these names, right? Because the question says that we have to return the first names only which count is 1. We don't have to return the distinct values, right? So let's see how can we do this. First, write the first thing what we thought to do. Select. I don't know this will work or not. Let's see it will work or it will not, maybe. Then we will search it in the Google and we just complete the question, right? You have to do it like me, right? Just not watching the tutorial. You have to give it a try, right? So what I can do is select first name, comma, count of star, right? Or what another we can do is we can use group by. So what we can do is select count of first name, right? It will give the as first name, let's say as number, and another thing we have to use the first name also, right? First name, we have here we find two things. One is first name and another is count of first name, means how many first names are there, means how many occurrence of the first name, right? As number from patients. And we all know we cannot use aggregate function without group by, so we have to do the group by first name, right? This will give us each and every first name and their count by grouping them, right? Then what we can do is, this is another query. After getting fetching that query result, we should select first name from this query. Let's say after getting this query, it will we'll tell it as a S1, right? Where number means the count of the first name, right? Here it says count of first name as number, where number equals to 1. I don't know it will work or not. Let's see. Yeah, it works. See what they do is they select first name from patients group by first name, just group them, and having count of first name equals to 1 means they don't do the subquery, right? Subquery part they skip, they just simply put one by one methods. It is also good, right? Second thing is, yeah, here they do the subquery, select first name, count of first name as occurrence from patients group by patients, right? Group by first name, and here they use occurrence, I use number, but the other things are same. They here they do the six subquery. See, one thing I want to clarify, you can use this type of things, but for using this you have to think in a very large way, in a very broader way, right? Otherwise this type of things you cannot write. But if you try, if you are a person who solve problems like step by step, you can use the subquery method. This subquery method is made for the beginners only, right? Where they can write, they can solve by step, they can think step by step, right? So this is for them. And the previous part, if you solve a lot of questions, then you can easily think this type of solutions, right? Got it?